Butterfly presents 500-watt Hero Mixer Grinder with 3 jars. It has aesthetically designed ABS body that provides durability and stability. The 500-watt powerful motor allows you to grind and blend tough food ingredients. The motor is enabled with auto cutoff function against overload. This feature ensures long life of the motor. The special ventilator prevents the motor from heating. It has sturdy handles for better grip. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars that are equipped with fixed razor-sharp blades for different grinding applications. The 3 speed levels with whip settings allow you to choose different speed levels depending upon the application need. The special rubber shoes help in keeping the appliance in place by preventing it from moving or sliding while in use. Visit the product detail page to know more about warranty, scheduled delivery, and EMI options.
Butterfly presents Jet Elite Mixer Grinder with 4 jars. It has aesthetically designed ABS body that provides durability and stability. The 750-watt powerful motor allows you to grind and blend tough food ingredients. The motor is enabled with auto cutoff function against overload. This feature ensures long life of the motor. The special ventilator prevents the motor from heating. It has sturdy handles for better grip. Ergonomically designed, polycarbonate transparent blender jar is unbreakable. Pusher and fine mesh are available for filtration and helps you to segregate seeds and dry pulp for fine juice extraction. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars that are equipped with fixed razor-sharp blades for different grinding applications. The transparent polycarbonate lid allows you to monitor the grinding process until you get your preferred output. The 3-speed level setting allows you to choose different speed levels depending upon the application need. The vacuum rubber shoes help in keeping the appliance in place by preventing it from moving or sliding while in use. Visit the product detail page to know more about warranty, installation, scheduled delivery, and EMI options.
Philips HL7720, which is superior, powerful, reliable machine with fine grinding and perfect mixing. Key features: powerful 750-watt motor for tough processing, quality plates for fine grinding, advanced ventilation system that enhances the life of the motor by keeping it cool, and the click jar lock assembly, which is a simple 3-step process which has been designed to ensure maximum safety for the consumers. Step 1. Fit the jar on the base unit. Step 2. Rotate clockwise. Step 3. The appliance is ready to use when you hear a click sound. The jar can be easily disassembled from the base unit by holding the base unit and jar collar simultaneously and turning the handle in the anti-clockwise direction. The HL7720 also has a unique open coupler design technology that helps in easy cleaning and maintenance of the mixer grinder. The HL7720 offers a 1.5-liter wet jar with transparent dome with handle for wet grinding, liquidizing, blending, and pureeing. A 1.0-liter dry jar with PP lid and handle for dry grinding ingredients like Bengal gram and rice flour. 0.4-liter chutney jar with PP lid for everyday grinding of chutneys and pastes like mint coriander chutney. Innovation that matters to you. Philips.